Hi guys! So for today's video ay mag-unbox ulit tayo ng running shoes at ito naman ay from 361 Degrees. Ayan, so meron pala silang shop sa Shopee. Ito, pwede nyo i-visit yan at ilalagay ko sa description box yung Shopee link. So unbox na natin, let's go! So ito yung pinaka-box niya, may nakasulat na 361 Degrees, 1 degree beyond. Ayan, ayan siya guys. Tapos sa ilalim, may mga Chinese na wordings dyan. Hindi ko mabasa. Pwede nyo i-Google Lens na lang para mas maintindihan. Ayan. So, may nakalagay din palang size chart dito. Ayan siya, guys. At sa gilid, yung size ng shoes ko. Na size 41. Ayun, 41 siya. Tapos size 8 pag US. So, kapares lang pala siya nung X-Step. Ang ganda guys! I-open na natin agad. Wala nang palikoy-likoy pa. Yan. Hey! Ganda guys. Oh. Kita nyo ba yan? Yan o. Oh. Kunin na natin. Ito. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng color niya oh. Ito pa yung isa. Ito lang yung laman ng box guys. Ayan, may paper. Tapos, meron pang mga silica gels. Ayan. Okay, dito muna yung box. Ito na yung mismong shoes na 361 Degrees Flame 3 Et. So, ito palang 361 Degrees Flame 3 Et. Et or 80. Basta ayun yung nakalagay dito. Ayan. Saka ayun yung pangalan nitong model na to ay for only 3,000 pesos lang. Ayan. So, pag inabil nyo pa siya tapos nilagay nyo yung discount code ay mas mababang price nyo siyang makukuha. So, lalagay ko ulit sa description box yung discount code. Ayan guys. So, montage natin para mas malaman natin yung mga specs nito at makita natin yung mga details niya. Let's go!
So guys, this is the 361 Degrees Flame 3 Et, a powerful surging in every step. This is breathable, durable, and comfortable to move forward. It has a lightweight single layer through hole jacka upper. It also uses a soft mesh for breathability and durability. It has a fiberglass plate that lowers the learning curve for novices and intermediate runners, offering accessible speed without demanding elite-level strength or technique. It has a dual-layer jackward mesh, also a reliable grip on tracks, asphalt, and wet surfaces. It is a wear-resistant design, extends shoe lifespan by 30% versus traditional rubber shoes. It also has a contrasting color blocking that standout options like reversal cater to diverse styles, blending performance with street-ready fare. It is also budget-friendly, which is competitive in terms of pricing. It is also supercritical aliphatic ETPU foam, which balances density and flexibility, absorbing impact while delivering 72% energy return. That reduces joint stress and enhances toe-off efficiency.
Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you so much 361 Degrees sa pagpapadala nitong 361 Degrees Flame 3 Et. Yung magagamit na ako pang race day kasi yung ito talaga yung ginagamit ko pang race. Ayan, food na siya. So, ayun din kasi ginagamit ko pang training, pang race day, pang long run, kaya napudpud. Mas maganda pag-alternate yung mga shoes nyo. So, ayan guys Thank you 361 Degrees, and guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you on my next vlog. Bye!